What's up, everybody? Cyberlocal coming in with another video for you guys. Gonna be opening up an ETB of Crimson Invasion. I think it's gonna be pretty cool. And the banger cards I'm looking for personally in this are the Gyarados and the Rainbow Gyarados. Let's go ahead and see what we get in here. And thank you guys again for watching. Now, let's go and crack this baby open. Here is my Crimson Invasion ETB. Oh yeah. Alright, let's go ahead and crack this thing open and hopefully we get something good. Let's see. Oh, here's a code card for you guys. And just some dividers and stuff. Nothing important. Alright, let's go ahead and move this stuff over and crack on into this video. I am so excited. Alrighty. Crimson Invasion. See what we get. There you go. And this set, I believe, is from 2019? Where is it? Oh, 2017. Okay, it's actually a little bit older than I thought. Okay, Weedle, Skiddo, Starly, Cortfish, Punkaboo, Reverse Regirock, to a non-hollow Beedrill. That's how we're starting this off, but hopefully that's not how we end this. Alright. Wow. I really hope that doesn't mean this is a bad thing with that code card. It could be. Cubone, Salamence, Phoebus, Karrablast, Reverse Aeron. Ooh, that actually looks nice. And a Miss Magus. We are 0 for 2. Come on, ETB. Be my friend. Please tell me this was not just a washout. Houndour, Ghastly, Atlas Reverse, Starmie non-hollow. Oh, that's not good. I think we still got 5 more packs. Alright. And it's green again. No. I can't have non-hits in all these. Cortfish Reverse, Camera non-hollow. Oh, we're down to 4 packs. Come on. There's got to be at least one banger in this. Green again. Oh my. What is going on? Reverse non-hollow. Okay, we have 3 packs of Crimson Invasion. Man, this is just not my booster pack. And it's green again. I don't like seeing green. Execute. Cortfish Reverse. Nothing. Okay, hold on. Is it green again? Okay. That was that one. Sorry, I just have to know. Oh my god, we got a white one on the very last one. I get 1 hit in this whole ETB. Okay, let's just go through this. Mankey Reverse. It was on non-hit. Okay. Reverse. And there's our hit. We got a Guzzlord GX. It's not exactly what I was wanting. I was wanting more of a Gyarados, but I did get 1 hit. 1 hit. My very last one in the pack. Wow, that was a little anticlimactic, but thank you guys again for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Remember to like and subscribe, and see ya.